If you want them to crave you, chase you, and long for your love, this meditation will awaken your love energy, making you unforgettable, irresistible, and magnetic. The more you repeat this meditation, the more your presence draws them in effortlessly. Listen daily, feel the energy shift, and watch them come to you naturally without hesitation. Now let's begin. You are the one they cannot stop thinking about. You are the one they cannot resist. You are the one they cannot forget. You are the one who holds their heart completely. I am the only one who fills their dreams with light and longing. I am the muse who inspires their deepest passions. I am the one they confess their deepest dreams to. I am the spark that ignites desire in every fiber of their being. I am the calm that steadies their heart when it feels restless. I am the vision they carry when their eyes are closed. I am the laughter that lingers in their mind like music. I am the one who holds the key to their heart. I am the warmth they seek when the world feels cold. They cannot rest until they are in my arms again. They long to be near me, to protect me, to love me endlessly. They are drawn to the rhythm of my energy as if it were destiny. They are enchanted by the glow of my presence. They are captivated by the elegance of my spirit. They are compelled to be near me as if the universe itself pulls them closer. They are intoxicated by the depth of my gaze, the softness of my touch. They are mesmerized by the way my voice lingers in their thoughts. They are consumed by the fire of longing I awaken within them. I am the sanctuary where their soul finds peace. I am the dream that colors their nights with wonder. I am the desire that turns their heart into a temple of devotion. I am the song they hum without knowing it. I am the fragrance that follows them wherever they go. I am the pulse that quickens when they feel my nearness. I am the flame that draws them in, warm and irresistible. They are compelled to honor my presence. Their eyes light up every time they find me. They are pulled by the gravity of my energy. Their entire world makes sense only when I am in it. They long to touch me, to hold me, to be wrapped up in my energy. Their body responds to me with an intensity they cannot resist. They awaken to their deepest emotions whenever they see me. They see no one but me. I am their one and only. They are hopelessly devoted to the magic I carry. They are drawn to me like waves to the shore, constant and unwavering. Their love flows endlessly in every breath, every moment. They are enchanted by my beauty. They are grateful for every heartbeat that connects them to me. I am the essence they seek in others, yet find only in me. I am the vision that makes them believe in miracles. I am their dream come true, their wish granted, their miracle found. I am the muse who inspires their most profound dreams. I am the light that guides them through the shadows. I am the sovereign of their world, the presence they honor endlessly. I am the warmth that heals their silent wounds. I am the presence they cannot forget, the echo of beauty in their life. I am the one who awakens their deepest desires and softest love. I am the magic they feel even when I am far away. They are consumed with anticipation to hear my laugh, to see my smile. They are enchanted by the subtle sway of my movements. They are captivated by the softness in my gaze and the strength of my aura. They are compelled to prove their devotion in ways words cannot describe. They are addicted to the way my energy dances around them. They are mesmerized by the elegance and confidence I radiate. They are drawn to my essence like a moth to a flame. I am the keeper of their joy. I am the center of their universe, the love of their life. I am the whisper that lingers in their mind when I am gone. I am the melody that fills their silent moments. I am the embrace that restores their spirit. I am the warmth they crave without realizing it. I am the vision that makes every day brighter. I am the magnet that calls them effortlessly towards me. They are hopelessly enchanted by the alignment of our energy. They are consumed by the knowing that I am the one they cannot live without. They wake each day grateful that I chose them. They think of me constantly. They honor me with devotion and loyalty. They are filled with desire to protect me, cherish me, and celebrate me. They are captivated by the completeness they feel when they are near me. They are drawn to the power and softness I embody. They are mesmerized by the way my presence lights up the world around them. They are endlessly compelled to return to me no matter the distance. I am their dream manifested. I am the heartbeat they listen for in silence. I am the vision that dances in their thoughts when they close their eyes. I am the warmth that fills every empty space in their heart. I am the desire that fuels their deepest longing. I am the one they fight for and treasure endlessly. I am the joy that awakens every hidden part of them. I am the center of their universe, the one they follow instinctively. They are intoxicated by the rhythm of my energy. They are addicted to the magnetism I radiate. They thank the universe every day for bringing me into their life. They are in love with the brilliance of my essence. They are captivated by the depth of emotion I inspire. I am the love they cherish above all. I am the light they seek in darkness, the warmth they crave in cold. I am the presence that awakens passion, devotion, and awe within them. I am the love they cannot resist, the desire they cannot escape, and the enchantment they cannot deny. I am the one they return to again and again, forever drawn to my essence. It is already done. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They are addicted to my love," to affirm this meditation. Listen to this for 21 days. Repetition is the key to making these truths your reality. If this resonated with you, return anytime you need to reconnect with love, devotion, and your irresistible love energy. And remember to subscribe for more meditations that elevate your love, energy, and life.